In this video, I'll guide you through how to find Steam game files in Windows. If you ever need to access your Steam game files, whether it's for troubleshooting, installing mods, creating backups, or simply checking where a game is stored, knowing the installation location can save you a lot of time. In this tutorial, I'll show you where Steam games are typically installed and what to do if you've chosen a custom installation location. To get started, open File Explorer on your Windows PC or laptop. This is where you'll be able to browse through your computer's drives and folders. Once File Explorer is open, click on This PC from the navigation panel on the left side. From here, open your local disk, which is usually the C drive where Windows and most applications are installed. Next, open the Program Files .86 folder. This is the default installation directory for many Windows applications, including Steam. Scroll down until you find the Steam folder, then double-click to open it. Inside this folder, you'll see a variety of files and folders related to the Steam client. Now, locate the folder named SteamApps and open it. Inside SteamApps, you'll find another folder called Common. This is the default location where Steam stores the installation files for your games. Open the Common folder, and you'll see a separate folder for each installed game. Simply locate the game you're looking for and open its folder to access its installation files. However, it's important to remember that not everyone installs games on the default drive. If you've previously selected a different drive or created another Steam library folder, your game files won't appear in the default location. In that case, open the drive where you chose to install your games. Look for the Steam library folder that you created during installation. Once you've found it, open the SteamApps folder inside it, followed by the Common folder. You'll now see all of the games installed in that Steam library. Open the folder for the specific game you want, and you'll have direct access to its files. This makes it much easier to locate configuration files, install supported modifications, or simply verify where the game is stored on your computer. And that's all there is to it. Whether your games are installed in Steam's default location or on a custom drive, you now know exactly where to find them in Windows. Hopefully this guide saved you some time and made the process easy to follow. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming!